Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Mount Kongo. Mount Kongo is a mountain between Osaka and Nara Prefecture. It is 1,125 meters high. Many people in Kansai enjoy hiking there. The trails are safe and easy to walk. Even beginners, children, and older people can enjoy the hike. In winter, the mountain becomes white with snow. Many people visit to enjoy the snow view and snow hiking. There is also a stamp rally event for hikers. At the top, you can take a photo of yourself with a live camera. This is a fun and new experience. Mount Kongo has a beautiful nature in every season. In spring, you can see cherry blossoms. In summer, the air is cool. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow. In winter, you can enjoy the snow. You can enjoy there by train and bus. First, take the Kintetsu Minami Osaka line to Tondabayashi Station. Then take a bus to the Kongo Trail entrance. The ropeway is now closed, but walking is still fun. If you want to enjoy nature and relax outside the city, at Kongo is a great place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.